Everyone, today we are going to learn about the area between the two rectangles. Okay, how to find out the pathway between the two rectangles. Okay, see the first case, when a path runs around a field. Okay, so everyone see the ground or path have some spaces between the playing area, is it? இங்கே என்ன செய்வாங்கம்மா ப்ளே பண்ணுறக்கூடிய திங்ஸ் எல்லாமே இருக்கும் அப்படி தானே. ஸோ சீசா லைக் தட் யூ ஹாவ் சீன் இன் அ பார்க். ஓகே, ரைட். ஹியர் some spaces in between there. Okay, this is a pathway. Okay, நடக்கக்கூடிய ஏரியாவாக இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ how to find out the pathway between of these two rectangular spaces. Okay, the rectangular area outer, this is called the outer rectangle and this is called the inner rectangle. So how to find out the area between these two rectangles? Okay, see how to calculate the area of the path. Okay, நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க வேண்டியது இந்த path. So for example, the width of this path is we have considered x. So both have side having the same value, is it? இங்கே வந்து 2 meter gap இருக்கு அப்படின்னா here also I had 2 meter gap. Okay, so here also the same measurement, is it? So the rectangular field, this is a length, this is a breadth, everyone known that. Okay, so length of the rectangle, so area of, so how to calculate the area of path is equal to area of the outer rectangle, area of the outer rectangle, outer minus area of the inner rectangle. ஓகேம்மா, இந்த ரெக்டாங்கிள்லேருந்து இந்த ரெக்டாங்கிள் நம்ம சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா we get the pathway, we get the area of the pathway. Okay, so how to find out the area of the outer rectangle? Okay, see the outer rectangle, this is the outer rectangle. Okay, so inner rectangle we have considered LB. Okay, but the width of the outer rectangle is x. Okay, so the length here and here, okay, listen, the length of outer rectangle is equal to L plus x, is it? So here also x, so L plus 2x, L plus 2x. Okay, okay amma, L plus 2x. The length, the breadth, next one. Okay, the breadth of outer rectangle is equal to b plus 2x. Okay, here one of the x, yes, so 2x, b plus 2x, b plus 2x. So area of the outer rectangle L into b. Okay, so here L value is L plus 2x, breadth value is b plus 2x. Okay, so how can you write? This one write within a bracket. Okay, now write the formula, area of the outer rectangle. So outer rectangle, what is the formula for the area of the rectangle? L into b. So outer rectangle of the length is L plus 2b. So L plus 2x, b value, b plus 2x. Okay, minus area of the inner rectangle L into b. So L into b square units. This is the formula for the area of the pathway. What is the formula? Area of the pathway, area of the outer rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle. How can you calculate the area of the outer rectangle? Outer rectangle having some width, is it? the path we having this some width, okay, that we have considered bx. So both sides are having the same distance, same width, is it? So twice the times of x, so length plus twice the times of x, at the same time the breadth also having the same distance between the inner rectangle and outer rectangle. So here one of the x, here one of the x, so 2x. So b plus 2x. What is the formula area of the outer rectangle? L into b. So here L value is L plus 2b. Clearly, carefully write in this place L plus 2x. Okay, so the general formula L into b. Here L outer rectangle, value of the length is L plus 2b. Here the breadth is b plus 2x, and subtract the inner rectangle. So area of the inner rectangle is the L into b square unit. So, okay, so when we have used this formula, we have to find out the pathway, okay, around the field. Here one of the field is the சுத்தி வரதுக்குள்ள ஏரியா என்ன இருக்கும் அப்படினு கேட்டாங்கன்னா இந்த ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணோம். Next case, when two paths run across the middle of the garden, one path parallel to the length and the other path parallel to the breadth. இதுவும் பார்த்திருப்பீங்க, பார்க்லலாம் அந்த மாதிரி போட்டிருப்பாங்க. சென்டர்ல okay, இதில் garden இருக்கும். Garden, so we have go this way and this way here. Okay, so then the width is we have considered b and x. Okay, equivalent with in length and breadth also. Okay, so எல்லா சைடும் length எப்படி தான் இருக்கும், the width of the length is equal and width of the breadth is also equal. Okay, so in this time how to calculate the total area except that this one. Okay, so the total area of the pathway, போகக்கூடிய இந்த pathway ஃபுல்லும் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் except this area. So how to calculate the total area of path? Total area of the path is equal to the area of the path along the length. First in the length க்கு அப்படி தான் நம்ம length க்கு இது parallel ஆ இருக்குது அப்படி தான். This is a length, this is a breadth. Okay, this one is parallel. Okay, so along the length, the area of the path along the length, okay, plus, and second one parallel to the breadth. Okay, so the area of path along the breadth minus, இப்போ நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணும்போது the whole length and parallelங்கும் போது என்ன ஆகிடுமா, இது ஃபுல்லுமே கன்சிடர் ஆகிடும். பட் we need not the center position. Okay, we need not the center part or the center position. Okay, so we have subtract the center area. Okay, so area of the shaded part, area of minus the area of the center or shaded. So shaded part is in square. Which shape is given? Square. So shaded. So area of the shaded square. What is the formula for the area of the square? A square. Okay, A square. So area of the path along the length. So length means L into X. Okay, L into X. Here plus, carefully write. Okay, because here they both are the parallel lines. Okay, so L into X. Okay, plus and breadth B into X. Okay, breadth into X minus, except the center of the portion, is it? Center of the portion in the shape as square, so X into X. Okay, X into X. So area of the square is X into X square units. Okay. So when we have used this formula, when two paths runs across the middle of the garden or any one of that in middle, one path is parallel to the length and the other one of the path is parallel to the breadth. Okay, so the total area of the path, we have to find out the total area of the path. அதாவது நடக்கக்கூடிய ஏரியா தான் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். So the area of the path along the length plus the area of the path along the breadth minus area of the square, area of the shaded square or shaded portion. So L into X plus B into X minus X into X. In this place we have to add. Okay, L plus 2x, B plus 2x minus L into B. Okay, so carefully write the formulas. Now see the example 8. A path 2.5 meter wide is running around a square field whose side is 45 meter and determine the area of the path. Determine the area of the path. 8. Solution. Okay, path 2.5 meter wide is running around a square field whose side is 45 meter. Determine the area of the path. Okay, so the path wide is given. Wide means the width. Okay, so width is 2.5 meter is given. Two point five meter. 2.5 meter. Okay, and whose side, the square. Okay, the square oda side enna kuduthirukanga 45 meter. So in a square all the sides are in equal in length. Okay, so first we have calculate the area of the path we have calculated. So first we have calculated the outer area of the square and next we have calculated the inner area of the square. After subtract we get the answer. Okay, again we have find out the area of the path. The path enna nama kandupidikka porom. Okay, right. So area of path is equal to area of outer rectangle here which shape is given? Square. Okay, so square minus area of inner square. Okay, so first we have calculated the area of the outer square. Outer square, what is the value? What is the formula? A square, is it? So how can you write outer square? So A square. First we have calculated this side. Okay, so side of the outer square is equal to 45 plus, you didn't know the outside of the square. Okay, so add with this, so twice a times we have to add. Okay, so 2.5. Why do you add 2 times? Why do you add 2 times? Its a length is 2 times here and here. So 2.5 plus 2.5. Okay, 2.5 meter, 45 meter. So 50. Okay, 2.5 plus 2.5, 5. 45 plus 5, 50 meter. So side of the outer square is 50 meter. Now we have calculated the area of the outer square. Outer square is equal to a square. I said a square means a square units is equal to 50. The whole square is equal to 2500 meter square. This is the outer area of the outer square. Now we have find out the area of inner square. Inner square value, we know that the side value is it. What is that? 45. So a square unit is equal to 45 the whole square meter square. So 45 square value is 2025 meter square. Now we have substitute the values in this formula. So area of path is equal to area of the outer square value is 2500 meter square minus area of the inner square is equal to 2025 meter square. Subtract 75 475 meter square. So area of the path is equal to 475 meters square. Okay. Now see the next one of the example. Example 9. A rectangular lawn is 30 meter by 20 meter. It has 2 roads, each 2 meter width wide, running into the middle of it, one parallel to its length and the other parallel to its breadth. Find the total area of the road. Okay, so road இருக்கு. அந்த road வந்து ஒரு இது வந்து எப்படி இருக்குமோ அந்த rectangular roadக்கு வந்து parallel இருக்குது, length-ஓட parallel இருக்கு, அதே மாதிரி breadth also parallel கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. So we have used the second one of the type formula. What is that formula? L into x. Okay, L into x plus b into x minus x into x square unit. Okay, that formula we have used in this problem. Okay. So first write the given data, the rectangular lawns. Okay, so the diagram, rectangular lawn. Okay, right, it's parallel, the width is 2 meter. So all the sides in 2 meter. Okay, the length is 30 meter, breadth is 20 meter. What is the formula? Area, a total area of the path. Okay, total area of the path is equal to, what is the formula? The area of the path along the length. Area of the path along the length plus area of the path along the length plus area of the path along the breadth minus area of this shaded square. Okay, area of the shaded square. Okay, what is that formula? L into x, okay, and plus breadth into x minus x into x square units. Okay, here L value is 30. Into x value is, what is the x value here? 2. Okay, plus breadth value is 20, x value is 2 minus 4. Okay, 2 2s are 4. Which unit is given? Meter. So meter square. So 60 plus 40 minus 4 meter square. So 100 minus 4 meter square. So answer is 96 meters square. Thus the area of the path is equal to 96 meters square. That's it. Okay. So you have calculate first the area of the path along the length. First calculate, after you have substitute, or you have directly use this formula and substitute the values. In your book is given find the first find the along the length and next find the along the breadth. After I have substituted in this formula, I have directly substitute that values. That's all. Okay, the both methods are same. Okay, you have using any one of the method you have followed. Okay, right. Now we will do the exercise 15.2. Do you understand these two concepts, how to find out when we have used this formula and when we have applied that formula? I hope you are understood. Now we have applied these two concept of two case of formulas in the given exercise problems. Okay, 15.2. Garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. A path 5 meter wide is to be built all around it along its border. Okay, find the area of the path. Okay, so one garden is there. Now 90 meters, so that length and breadth is given. Okay, broad means breadth. Okay, so have draw the rough diagram for our understanding. Okay, okay, this length is 90 meter and wide, the broad is 75 meter. Okay, the path 5 meter wide. Okay, path evaluma 5 meter wide. 5 meter is to be built all around, so all the sides, okay, outside it along its border. Find the area of the path. So the first type, idoda area enna ketirukanga. Okay, you have to find out. So what is the formula? Area of the path, is equal to area of outer rectangle. Okay, minus area of inner rectangle. Okay, first we have calculated the area of outer rectangle. How to calculate the outer rectangle? First we have calculated the length. Okay, so 5 meter distance, is it? So both sides. So L plus 2x. So here L value is 90 plus 2x value is 5, is it? X value is 5. So 2 into 5. So length of the outer rectangle is 100. Okay, 100 meter. Okay, right. This is a length. Okay, first have find the length, and next breadth we have calculate. Okay, so b plus 2x is equal to breadth value is 75. Okay, so 2 into here also x. So 75 plus 10, 85 meter. Now we have calculate the area of the outer rectangle. So what is the formula? L plus 2x into b plus 2x square units. So L plus 2x value is 100. Okay, into 85 meter square. So 8500 meter square. The next one, area of inner rectangle is equal to L into B, is it? L into B square unit. So L value is, what is the L value here? 9. Okay, 90 meter. Okay, so 90 into 75 meter square. So multiply these two values. 75, 45, 63, 67. So 6750 meters square. Now substitute this value in this formula. So area of the path is equal to area of the outer rectangle value is 8500 minus inner rectangle is 6750 meters square. Subtract what we get, 1750 meters square. So area of the path is equal to 1750 meters square. Okay, see next one. So the outer length and breadth of the painting is given. Okay, values are given, and then if there is a margin of 8 centimeter width all around the painting, find the area of the actual. So here you have to find out the actual painting area only. You have to find out. Paint பண்ணிருக்க ஏரியா மட்டும் தான் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஓகேவா? See this problem. Solution. So what are the data given? So length and breadth is given. Okay, one of the painting outer length is given. Outer length is 150 centimeter and 120 centimeter breadth. Okay, if their margin of 8 centimeter width. Okay, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Okay, you have calculated the painting area. we have calculate only painting area. We know the value of the length of outer rectangle only, we know that. Okay, so we have subtract 150 minus 8, then only we have calculate the value of the painting area. Okay, so first we have calculate the length of the inner given length of outer painting is equal to 150 centimeter. The next one, breadth outer painting is 120 centimeter. Okay, now calculate the length of the inner painting area. Okay, our painting area, this is a frame area. Okay, frame irukku and the area length breadth kuduthirukanga. So painting, the length of the painting, what we find out, find the area actual painting without the margin. So margin தேவையில்லை, we have calculate only this area only we have to calculate. paint பண்ண அந்த place ஓட area என்ன அப்படிங்கறத கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So length of the painting, length of the painting area, paint length of the painting is equal to 150 minus 8. Why do you subtract in this place? We have calculated the inner rectangle. Okay, so subtract this width. Okay, so minus 8 centimeter. And next breadth, breadth of the painting 120 minus 8. So here 2 times are there. Okay, so directly write in this place 16. How to write this 16? Twice the times of a length. Okay, the width having the L. Okay, L plus 2x. When we have added the plus 2x outer length, we have calculate plus 2x. Now we have calculate the inner, so we have subtract. Okay, so 150 minus 16. Here the breadth is 120 minus 16 centimeter. Do you understand this? Why do you subtract in this place? We have calculate the inner rectangle. Okay, so we have subtract. Why do you calculate the value of 16 in this place? Twice the times of the width. Okay, the end side length, opposite sides are equal in rectangle. Okay, then these two having the length. Okay, here the one of the side is width 8 centimeter, so twice the times, so 2 times of 8 is 16. Here also 2 times of 8 is 16. The breadth value is 120, so 120 minus 16. Okay, so now area of the painting, area of the painting without margin, painting without margin is equal to, subtract this values, is it L into B. Here L value is 150 into 150 minus 16 is 134 centimeter, and here subtract 104 centimeter, 104 centimeter square. Okay, now multiply these two values. We get 13,936 centimeters square. Thus, the area of the painting without margin is 13,936 centimeters square. Okay, and next see the third one. Third one is also the same one. Okay, subtract after calculate the cost of polishing the table top. Okay, same like that. Okay, so first we have calculated length and breadth of the tabletop. After here also we have calculated the tabletop inner. Okay, the tabletop உடைய அந்த மேலே ஒரு கவர் ஷீட் போட்டிருக்காங்க. அது வந்து எவ்வளோ இது லென்த் இருக்குது, வெளியில் எக்ஸஸாக இருக்குது. ஹேங்கிங் ஆல் அரவுண்ட் த டேபிள் இஸ் 25 centimeter is given, so you have to change in meter, so 0.25 meter. Okay, other measurements in meter, so you have calculate that. Okay, after the same procedure you have follow, and the final answer you have multiply the cost of polishing the tabletop at rupees 25. So finally you have multiply the 25 rupees per square meter. Okay, so third one is homework. Fourth one, the side of the square plot is 80 meter. The two path of 4 meter width along the sides of the square are constructed in the middle of the plot. Determine in the area of the plot. So the side of the square, one of the square plot is given. Two path of 4 meter width along the sides of the squares are constructed in the middle of the plot. Clearly சொல்லிட்டாங்க, மிடில் ஒரு பாத் ஒரு பிளாட் இருக்கும். அது தவிர மீதி எல்லா இடத்துலையுமே பேரலாக என்ன செய்கிறாங்கம்மா, லைன் வரைகிறாங்க. ஸோ இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் இன் செகண்ட் கேஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ டிட்டர்மைன் தி ஏரியா ஆஃப் த பாத். ஓகே, you know that formula, is it? What is that formula? Case 2 formula, L into x plus b into x minus x square unit. Okay, so we have used that formula, have calculated this one. The side of the square plot. Okay, so area of the square plot. The middle உள்ளது என்னமா கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, area of the square is equal to a square units. Okay, draw the rough diagram. So square plot, the one side is 80 meter. Okay, the center plot is 4 meter, is it? 4 meter. So here 4 meter, all the path is also 4 meter. Okay, so except that middle value we have find out the remaining ones. Okay, so side of the square plot, side of a square plot is equal to 80 meter. Okay, now we have calculated the area of the path. Area of the path. What is the formula? The area of the path along, you have write that. Okay, along the length. So what is that formula? L into x. Okay, plus b into breadth into along the breadth minus the middle area into square units. Okay, so here L is 80. Okay, so 80 into x value was 4 and breadth is also 80 because all the sides are equal. Okay, into 4 minus x value was 4. 4 4s are 16. Which unit is given? Centimeter, meter. Meter is given. So meter square. Now simplify. 8 4s are 32. Add 0. Here also 0 minus 16 meter squared. So 640 minus 16 meter squared. Subtract. We get 624 meter square. So area of the path is equal to 624 meter square. Okay, that's all. And next one, fifth problem. A poster's measure 20 centimeter into 16 centimeter is pasted on the sheet of cardboard such that there is a margin of 3.5 centimeter along each side of the poster. Okay, along the each side of the poster. Find the total area of the margin. So total area of the margin means what we do? Path we have calculate. Okay, first we have calculate the area of the path. Okay, and next one, the cost of the cardboard used to the rate of 1.50 per square unit. Okay, the border we have to calculate. So we have used the first case formula. Okay, one or two times read the question well, after which formula we have used for the given type of question you have analyzed, after you have write the answers. Okay, so once again read the fifth problem. A poster measuring 20 centimeter into 16 centimeter is pasted on the sheet of the cardboard such that there is a margin of 3.5 centimeter along each side of the poster. So poster உடைய எல்லா சைட்லையுமே வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, 3.5 என்ன செய்கிறாங்கம்மா places வந்து எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஓகேவா, மார்ஜின் வந்து போடுறாங்க. ஓகே, ஃபைண்ட் தி டோட்டல் ஏரியா ஆஃப் த மார்ஜின். ஸோ மார்ஜின் எவ்வளோ போட்டிருக்காங்கன்னு கேட்டாங்கன்னா அது என்னது தான், பாத்வே. ஓகேவா, பாருங்கள், போஸ்டர் இருக்கு, அதுக்கு மார்ஜின் வந்து கொடுக்குறாங்க. ஓகேவா, ஸோ அதோட இது எவ்வளோ கொடுத்துருக்காங்கம்மா, 3.5. ஓகே, ஸோ அதோட லென்த் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கம்மா, 20 centimeter, breadth is 16 centimeter. Okay, first we have calculate the total area of the margin. So the pathway we have calculate. Okay, the fifth one, given length and breadth of the cardboard, is 20 centimeter and 16 centimeter respectively. Okay, and next one, the width is 3.5. Okay, width is equal to 3.5 centimeter. All measurement in centimeter. Okay, right. The first one, area of the margin. The first option, area of the margin is equal to What is the formula? L plus 2x, okay, plus breadth b plus 2x minus L into b square units. So L plus 2x into b plus 2x means the length of area of the outer rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle. Okay, so L plus, here L value was 20, so 20 plus 2 into x, 2x value is 2.5, x value is 3.5, so multiple of 3.5 into 2, 7. Okay, so 7, you have write one more step in this place, 2 into 3.5 into b value was 16 centimeter, so 16 plus 2 into 3.5 minus inner rectangle L into b. So inner rectangle value was 20 centimeter, here 16 centimeter. Okay, here we have calculate and write. So length of the outer rectangle is what we get, 27. Okay, 27 centimeter. Okay, and cardboard, right? And then sixteen plus 7, 16 plus 7, 23. Okay, minus L into B, so 20 into 16, 2 6 are 12, 32, so 3 6, 320, 320 centimeter square, centimeter square. So multiply 27 into 23, we get 621, 621 minus 320, we get 301 centimeter square. So area of the margin is equal to 301 centimeter square. Cost of cardboard used at the rate of 1 rupee 50 per square centimeter. So now B option we have calculated the cost of the cardboard used at the rate of rupees 1.50 per square centimeter is equal to 301 centimeter square into 1.50 pies. So multiply these values. 351 rupees fifth problem. So we have multiply this. 301 into 15, 5, 0, 15, 1, 0, 3, 5, 1, 5, 4. 451.50 pies. Okay, that's it. And sixth one, homework. Okay, third and sixth are homework. Now see the seventh one. Find the area of the shaded region in each of the following figure. Each of the following figure. So we have calculated the shaded portion. Okay, now we will do the B problem, and 7th A problem is homework. Okay, it's 2 meter, 6 meter, here 10 meter is given, 8 meter, 1 rectangle box is given, here 6 meter, here also 6 meter. Square box, both angles, both measurements are equal, so it's a square. Okay, so find the shaded region. Find the shaded region. So I have divided this. It's a rectangle. Okay, so opposite sides are equal in length. Okay, here 8 centimeter, here 6 centimeter. Okay, so the side of the rectangle is 6 plus 8, 14. Okay, L into B square units. So here length is 6 plus 8. Why do you write here 8 meter? The distance of this two length is 8 meter. So here 8 meter already, here 6 meter is given. So sum of these two values is 14. Okay, so length is 14. Here write L is equal to 6 meter plus 8 meter is equal to 14 meter. Okay, 14 meter. Breadth is 2 meter. So 28 meters square. So area of the rectangle is 28 meters square. Okay. See here 2 is, we have considered from the 10 to here 2 centimeter, remaining here 8 centimeter. This is a square. Okay, this is a square. So what is the area of the square? A square. So area of the square is equal to A square units. So A square value is 8. So 8 square meters square. So 64 meters square. What we have find out? Find the area of the shaded. ஓகே நம்ம இப்போ இதோடைய ஹோல் ஏரியா கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம். இப்போ இந்த ஏரியா கண்டுபிடிச்சி டோட்டலாக இந்த ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணி இதை என்ன செஞ்சிடணுமா சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணணும். பிகாஸ் யூ ஹாவ் நீட் ஒன்லி தி ஷேடட் போர்ஷன். Now we have calculate the whole portion only. We have calculate area of the square. So இந்த ஸ்கொயர் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம். அந்த ஸ்கொயரில் இந்த ஸ்கொயரோட வேல்யூவை நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சிடணும் கழிச்சிடணும். ஏன்னா நமக்கு ஷேடட் போர்ஷன் மட்டும் தான் தேவை. ஸோ இதோட ஏரியா கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு என்ன எழுதிக்கலாம், ஏரியா ஆஃப் தி அன்ஷேடட் ஸ்கொயர்னு எடுத்துக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா, ஏரியா ஆஃப் தி அன்ஷேடட் ஸ்கொயர் அண்ட் ஷேடட் ஸ்கொயர் is equal to which value is given, 6 centimeter is given. So a square unit is equal to 6 square meter square. So 36 meter square. Now we have calculated the area of shaded portion is given. Region is equal to area of rectangle plus area of square minus area of unshaded square. Okay, unshaded square. So area of the rectangle value was 28 meter square plus area of the square is 64 meter square and minus area of the unshaded square is 36 meter square. Why do you subtract in this place? You have calculate only shaded portion. So we have subtract the unshaded portion. Okay. So now add these two values. What we get? So subtract these values. 28, 64, 12, 92 minus 36, 6, 92 minus 36 meter square is equal to 56. So 56 meter square. So the area of shaded region, area of shaded region is equal to 56 meter square. Okay, that's it. So homework, exercise 15.2 3671 first problem. Okay, that's it. So what we learned today we have learn about area between two rectangles. The first case, how to find out the path. Okay, what is the formula for how to find out the area of the path formula? The area of the path is equal to L into L plus 2B into B plus 2X. Okay, L plus 2X, okay, into B plus 2X minus L into B. That's mean area of the outer rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle. Okay, so inner rectangle L into B square unit. And second case, we have to calculate the parallel along the length and parallel along the breadth is given, and the middle of the portion is not considered, is it? So that we have, that is we have using the formula, what is that? L into X plus B into X minus the middle portion. Middle portion is the square. Okay, so x into x square units. Okay, everyone remember the formula correctly. In case you have write plus or minus place, you have instead of the minus or plus, is strongly get the answer. Okay, so carefully write the formulas. Okay, everyone should complete the homework. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt to me. Thank you, students.